Hey fam, this is Uncle Doug, mortgage banker and real estate expert. And we are going to drop some knowledge today about the Vegas market, Vegas, Henderson, Clark County, Southern Clark County in general. I want to tell you that I am also a proud member of the #1 mortgage banking team in the entire nation for Homes for Heroes. So if you are a educator, first responder, EMS or fire, if you're in law enforcement, military, previous or current, or in the medical field, we have a big opportunity for you to save some money. We work with our partner affiliate, Homes for Heroes Realtors, and between all of us, you guys get an amazing deal on listing a house, refinancing a house, or buying a house. The realtors hook you guys up. I'm happy to facilitate that. If you need a good realtor in this area, please reach out to me. I can help you out. Again, Uncle Doug dropping knowledge. You can reach me at iDigMortgages on all social media, www.idigmortgages.com, or go homeselect.com. If you are a highly qualified borrower and you don't know about the HomeSelect product, you could be leaving hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars on the table in interest expense. That is a very sophisticated loan. Call it an interest cost savings loan. You don't have to do anything different. The system itself does everything differently. It's a first position line of credit that replaces a regular mortgage. It uses simple interest instead of compounding interest. Game changer. If you're talking to another loan officer and they're pitching you a 5 or 6% rate, this thing will destroy that. If you qualify, not everyone qualifies. I've got clients that are seeing comparison effective APRs in the 1s, 2s, and 3s. Boom. Reach out to me. Let's go. So let's dig into this market and see what we're doing here. So, Clark County in general is a seller's market right now. We do not have enough inventory on the market. Okay? And that will be evidenced through all of these scenarios that I'm going to show you right here. If you look at inventory here, again, this is Clark County in general. We're way below. We had almost 8,000 houses in 2022, and we're now down at 4,600. So we're at basically 60%. We don't have enough houses on the market. Now, rates are dropping. Rates are getting better. We're the lowest we've been in almost a year. We are anticipating further rate drops, but that's not guaranteed. Okay? But the National Association of Realtors is saying that for every 1% in rate drop, 1%, 5 million more people qualify to buy homes. Now, even if a percentage, just a small percentage of those get in, we're already, in Nevada especially, we don't have a bump. A lot of other areas are seeing bumps in inventory. We're just not seeing that here. Texas is almost a buyer's market. It's almost getting to that point. Florida, same thing. California is getting almost to homeostasis. We are not even close. We are a seller's market, and when you add more buyers qualifying, it's going to be bad for pricing. And a house that you might finance for $700,000, the difference in rates might cost you, I don't know, $500 a month. And we can do an analysis on this. I have this done in separate videos that you can find on here, on TikTok and on other channels. But that same house, this $800,000 house at a 1% bump, or a 5% bump year over year, which is what we anticipate, you're going to see a $40,000 increase in value. So next year, you buy that same house for an extra $40,000, or you buy it this year and your net worth goes up by $40,000, and it might cost you $5,000 or $6,000 before your write-off. Reach out to me. We can talk further about that. Let's not get into the mud too much on that. In Henderson, we are seeing the same thing, guys. It is a seller's market, not as dramatic, but still. And days on market is dropping very, very quickly. Price per square foot is climbing. So that tells you that there's more demand than there is supply. And inventory, we're just not seeing a bump. We're just not seeing it, guys. Right? And I've been talking about this for a couple of weeks. Same thing in Las Vegas proper. No inventory to speak of. It is a seller's market. If you're looking at days on market, you're going to see days on market is shorter and shorter. People are aggressively trying to buy, and price per square foot's climbing. So again, this is Uncle Doug. If you're trying to get in the game, do it right. Reach out to me ahead of time. Let's not only get you pre-approved, let's get you a commitment to lend, which is an underwritten conditioned approval. That means I have conditions to meet for your loan, but the underwriter's already blessed this thing and says, yes, we will lend that person money based on the numbers and the things that we submitted. And that is a much, much more powerful place to be when you're negotiating, because if there's 10 of you at the table all bidding on a house, and I'm able to call on your behalf and say, hey, Mr. Listing Agent, let me tell you about my borrowers, the Smiths. They're already underwritten. I need appraisal and a title, and I can close in 14 days. I know everyone else you're talking to is just pre-approved and probably need 21 days to 30 days. All things being equal, they're taking your offer because you're further to the finish line. You're closer to the finish line. So again, reach out, 805-231-1644. You can email me at dwaldman@genevafi.com. Let's go. Be the change you want to see in the world. Have a great day.